My lovely people of Imade, how una dey o? Let us cook a stew together. This is the fish I want to use to cook. Na ichaki and pomo cow leg na dey here. I'll boil am throway. I'll cut am. Na the dey here. This is the ingredient. This onions, fresh tomatoes, and I'll put this one join am make it plenty. This one e not too much smooth, and fresh tatashe. This is the maggi. Na salt dey inside here, ororo, curry, fresh pepper. This is the meat I want to use. This is the cow meat. This is the chicken I want to use. Everything we will cook it together. If you dey eat all those one, you know, get low pressures, I will carry una along. This is the chicken and beef. If you dey eat chicken and beef, you know, get low pressure, so we just cut am. I just say me, I just carry una along go. My lovely people of Imade, one love. We go come back. Wow, see as e yummy. This is the chicken and beef. Wow. Let us put the chicken and the pomo and cow leg. Make we put them together. Osiban. If you dey eat pomo and chicken and cow leg, you know, get low pressure. Low pressure is very dangerous. For sleep to enter sleep. Oh. Yes, my lovely people of Imade, the gourmet person they eat well. Yes, so we don't fry the fish. See the fish. We dey eat fish, not get low pressures at all. One love. Don't fry all the meat finish. See and see the. Maybe we fry just put onions. You let the onions fry well. Wow, let us fry it together. These onions and tomatoes na dey inside. This is grounded tomatoes and fresh pepper na dey there. If that one not go reach, me I put this one. These tomatoes e no smooth well. See, e no smooth well. Me I put the if I not put control one join it not go reach. The tomatoes, the fresh one when I get it's small. You're gonna see us. Oh, you need my if they eat this one, no get low pressure, so gourmet person they eat to see. Let us put this one together. Oh, one hand. Yeah, the fresh one. Later we shall come back. Wow, we just fried the tomatoes. Let us put the maggi. See, and now this time maggi 5. Now I want to put this time maggi. Hey, one hand on the left page, they do something. Me, I put on like that here. Go mate. 5 maggi. You know, say I put meat water just now. It's good. Me, I put when we put curry. Oh, no open way. Curry. Okay. Yeah. Maybe put salt. Na little salt because I put meat water just now. See, na little salt we go put. Wow, the stew done. Let us put the meat together. Wow, the stew done. This is the fried meat. Maybe we first put this one. Oh. Maybe the meat you're too plenty today. See the rest. See, I know. Hey, if I say me, I turn and put me, I suffer they put on like this. If they eat fish, you know, I get low pressure, so good me with they eat well. See, wow. Maybe all the meat. I know if you put on, but I'll try to put the fish. Me, I like fish. Where? Me, I put the fish. To see, I see yummy. I worry me tantan. No time to check time. I worry me. I don't talk quoi. To see. Awari eva ave tiens waniga kono gbe ba gbe mi ame. That is it. I say me I just carry on along, my lovely people. Really, I say the fish you the meat good. I'll put all together. You don't see. See the rice. This is it. May I leave two fish. Later we shall come back. Wow, this is the finishing of the stew. Oh, man, where you sabi for days? Stew na chicken, you know, get low precious, and fish, you know, get low precious at all. That why. We have to be eating fish and ekmomo and cow leg and chicken and beef. See, everything fully sides. If you eat and you not get low pressure, because low pressure is very dangerous for sleep to enter sleep. Oh, if you get the high one, water go enter your brain. No, what that they do. That we have to leave people matter. May you not get high pressures, because people matter. If they bad person, you will quick leave this world young, but if you not put people matter, you go live long. Ugi wine gwe wa mu ugi awe wa bere stew we chicken. See, because low pressure for sleep to enter sleep na below one. High one, water go enter your brain. To see, and I me cook this one. I'm gonna write calculation for me. Oh, I not donate money to put this to me cook am. If I upload that, na go write congratulations to me. In my day, na me cook am. Congratulations to me. Oh, one love. When I share the video, one love. This is the finishing. See the rice. One love. Bye.